In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Perplexity AI API key. This process involves navigating to the correct settings and confirming your deletion, ensuring that your account remains secure. First, open the Perplexity AI application on your device. Once the application is fully loaded, locate your profile icon situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. The profile icon typically displays your account picture or initials. After you click on your profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will redirect you to the settings page where various account management options are available. Within the settings menu, look for the section titled API Keys. Click on this section to access a list of all your existing API keys. This page will display all keys associated with your account, allowing you to manage them effectively. Next, browse through the list to find the specific API key you wish to delete. Each entry will be accompanied by options for management. Once you've identified the correct key, locate the delete button next to it. Click the delete button and a confirmation prompt will appear on the screen. This prompt is designed to ensure that you want to proceed with the deletion, as this action cannot be undone. Review the information carefully to confirm that you are deleting the correct key. To finalize the process, confirm the deletion by clicking on the appropriate option in the prompt. After you confirm, the system will process your request and the API key will be permanently removed from your account. Ensure you check that the key no longer appears in your list of API keys before exiting the settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.